We are going to be focusing on tangents today. So when we are thinking about a tangent, we are thinking about a straight line and a circle. Now, the line must only go through the circle or touch the circle at one point. So if it touches more than one point, then it is not a tangent. And if it doesn't even touch the circle, it is not a tangent either. So I'm just going to pick a random point outside of my circle, and I am going to draw a line so it only touches one element, one part of the circle. So it just touches right here at this point here. Because it's only touching at one point, we call this the tangent line. So when I'm thinking about this line, I can connect it straight away. I'll do it in green. I can connect it straight away to my center of my circle. Now, we can see straight away that it is a right angled triangle. And this is one of the properties. Whenever we've got a tangent line and we connect it with the radius, then it turns into a right angle. So that's one of the properties that we need to make sure that we understand. Now, I can also use that same point over here that I'm just going to label as P. So I'll label this as P, and I can create another tangent line. So again, I'm going to create another tangent line on the other part of my circle. Again, it is touching at one spot. So it's a tangent line. So I'll put a dot at that point. Likewise, again, going straight to the center of my circle, it turns into a right angle. So that's one of the properties. So I can look at the angle of P to A, and I'll make the center Q. So I know that the angle of P, A, Q has to be 90 degrees. That's what I know. So based on this, I'm going to give us a couple of angles, and we are going to use it to help us solve. So to start off, I'm going to say that I've got this angle right here. That is A. I don't know what it is. And I know this angle over here is 220 degrees. So straight away, we can use one of our understanding to work this out. So straight away, I can say, like we did before, that I've got this angle here is 90 degrees. I've got this angle over here, which is 90 degrees. Now, if I'm thinking about a whole revolution, it's 360 degrees. So to find out the other part of this circle, this part right here, I am able to go 360 take away 220. 360 take away 220 is 140. Okay, so now we have 140 degrees. So now we know that I can then able to work this angle out here, which is A. So my angle A has to be part of the relationship that is adding up to 360. So far I've got 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 140 degrees plus A, and I know it is going to add up to 360 degrees. So if I want to find out A, I know it's going to be 360, and I'm going to be taking away 90 plus 90 plus 140, which is 320 degrees. So that tells me that my A must equal 40 degrees. So A is going to equal 40 degrees.